What's up, guys? I got a question on the website from Kevin DeMario. He said, did you ever have a baseball card made for you? And yeah, I have. Obviously, I had those Little League cards made when I was Little League. I'm sure you guys all had that when you were in Little League. But my first card, my first official card, was when I was at Auburn University. And then I got one each year I was there, and then also every year in professional baseball. So I'm going to show you those right now. My first one here is at Auburn University. I was a pitcher, obviously. This is one of my favorite cards. It's a sideways card. It looks really cool. I really enjoyed my time at Auburn. My next one was my first professional season with the Padres, and it was at Eugene, Oregon, playing with the Eugene Emeralds. This is a pretty cool card. Showing me throwing in the outfield. I think I was playing catch with Stevie Delabar that day. Either Stevie or Brandon Higlin, one of those two. I always played catch with them, but they were some great pitchers. Brandon Higlin's the pitching coach at ASU right now. Stevie Delabar, you guys know him. He's a Major League All-Star. Second professional card was with the Fort Wayne Wizards. They're known as the Fort Wayne Tin Caps these days. I love this card. Sometimes you guys see this picture on my website, but it's a great card. Got that nice mug on there in the bottom right. But this year, my 2006 year, I was most valuable pitcher for the Fort Wayne Wizards. So that was a special year. Had a lot of fun that year. A lot of big leaguers on that team. Too many to name. So many on that team. But we had a lot of fun that year. Then I played 2 years in Lake Elsinore, California for the Lake Elsinore Storm. So I got 2 cards from them. I really like these cards. They were really cool. The stadium there was really awesome too. They had some sellout nights. They always had a good crowd. The stadium was really good, and I really like the cards as well. They're really cool cards. The first one, you can see I'm up in my balance point. I don't know what kind of face I got on there. It looks like I'm about to take a dump, but they had cool hats too. Second one, looks like I'm coming out of scap load, about to get into hip to shoulder separation, probably a little bit too forward on my trunk tilt. Looks like I needed to work on my mechanics a little bit that year. Maybe that's why I didn't have such a great year, although I did get promoted to AAA at the end of that year. And then my last card is with the New York Mets. I was picked up by the New York Mets in the Rule 5 draft in AAA phase, and I played with their AA team, the Binghamton Mets, that year. And you guys know this picture from the website. I've got this one on the website a couple times, but this is in Binghamton, pitching in Binghamton, and I really enjoyed my time there as well. So those are my baseball cards, and hope you like that video.